Okay, this is just a very quick tutorial. I am combining a piece of software called Toggle. Toggle app is a very nice program. You can get it on GitHub, or you can just search for Toggle Track. And this allows you to track what you're doing. Like today I was doing some of that, and then I did some body work for an hour, and then for half an hour I did some entertainment. 17 seconds of health and fitness. You might wonder what's going on. No, I'm just busy actually deciding to create a combination of using this Toggle Track software with a course I did last year called Lifebook. So Lifebook, maybe I'll put a link in the description or something. It's a course. It's okay. It's about $600. It's nothing compared to Landmark. Like just, but there's videos and there's all kinds of cool stuff in this, and you can learn from it. But so what I'm doing now, because I want to be a bit more accountable and honest about how I spend my time, I am creating or recreating really these categories. These are the 12 categories of Lifebook. So you have your health and fitness, intellectual life, emotional life, character, spiritual life, love, relationships, parenting or family, love life, social life, financial life, your career, quality of life, life vision, and category 13, which I've just decided to call Tantra and Sexual Energy, because for me that kind of makes sense. So how you can use this piece of software is very nice. I'll show you the quickest way to create these 12 categories for you. Is you can take this list and then just start typing, you're working on character, and you press enter, and then you can go and say, well, let's add a new project related to character. So we'll just say character. I do a 0 before numbers because some software, when it comes after 10, it puts it in the wrong alphabetical order. That's just because some programmers don't think. But whatever, we'll have it as this. It's a private project. There's no client associated, so you can just do that. Boom. Great. We'll do the same for spiritual life. Okay, great. So now everything is active and going. With this video that I'm doing at the moment, I could have actually added this to, if I had another project called so you can, at the moment this is adding to, you can just very quickly start the software to start counting what you're doing, and then you can come back later and say what you were doing and which category. And the way I set up that initial category is, if you go to preferences, you can see that I had set the default category to be quality of life. But if you're doing something else where you're only working on one specific project, you can always just keep it go to that project. I decided to do idle notifications, so if I haven't been in front of the computer, I haven't been doing anything, so not necessarily, but that's it. Pomodoro is a great way of working. You work 25 minutes, you take 5-minute break, you stretch, move your eyes, you basically be a human before you go back to the autonomous robot thing. Started on startup, and then time editing is nice. So for instance, if you realize you've been doing something for a while, you just go and edit the time, and it will just adjust the duration, not when you actually finished. So that is much nicer. So yeah, so that is a quick demonstration of that. Quality of description, quality of life. I am busy creating tutorial on using Toggle Track.